Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to add someone to your USAA Renters Insurance for 2025. Whether it's a roommate, family member, or partner, this process is straightforward and can save you from potential headaches down the road. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you have your USAA account set up and ready to go. Start by logging into the USAA website or mobile app using your username and password. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. It's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, head over to the My Insurance section. This is usually found on the dashboard or in the main menu. From there, select your renter's insurance policy from the list of your active policies. USAA makes this easy with a clean interface, so you shouldn't have any trouble spotting it. Next, look for the Manage Policy or Add Insured option. This might be under a submenu like Policy Details or Edit Coverage. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the details of the person you want to add. Be prepared to provide information such as their full name, date of birth, social security number, and their relationship to you. Accuracy is key here to avoid any delays in processing. After filling out the form, review everything carefully, double-check for typos or missing info. Then, hit Submit. USAA will review your request, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days. You'll get an email confirmation once it's approved, and there might be an adjustment to your premium, so keep an eye on that. A quick tip: if the person you're adding lives with you, make sure they meet any eligibility requirements, like being a dependent or co-resident. And if you run into any issues, USAA's customer support is excellent. Just give them a call. There you have it. Adding someone to your USAA Renters Insurance doesn't have to be complicated. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay insured.